Analysis of school magazine cover. What was the task? The task was to create a school magazine that would appeal to students attending the school. I could use a seasonal theme or use any general theme. Firstly, I created a Christmas theme magazine. However, after realizing that I could not create pictures of some of the images that I had included in my paper plan, like snow, I decided to create a different paper plan with a general theme. Does your school magazine relate to existing examples of other school magazines? After analyzing a few different school magazines, I noticed that my school magazine does relate to other school magazines because, like the other school magazine, it attempts to portray the school and at the same time appeal to its audience. It also relates because it contains many features that the other school magazines use, like the general bold masthead and the specific central images. However, my magazine cover differentiates from other school magazines covers because the audience for my school magazine cover is sixth formers who are between the ages of 16 to 19, rather than students lower down the school who are between the ages of 12 and 16. Therefore, my magazine would contain certain features that a regular school magazine would not, so that it appeals to its target audience. Examples of these would include the cover lines across the left side of the magazine, which promote interesting articles that would encourage the readers to read the magazine. Can you provide examples of creative problem-solving decisions you made in relation to the development of your ideas? When creating the school magazine cover, I did encounter a few problems. The main issue which I came across was trying to create a collage for the central image. The images would overlap each other, therefore they could not be viewed as some of them were hidden. I also found that there was not enough space in the page for a central image to be of a collage with different images. Therefore, I decided to use one central image. How does your final outcome relate to your draft design? Any differences? Why? The paper plan for my magazine cover is similar to the final outcome, as the text has remained the same and it has stayed in the same positioning. The only changes that I have made would be that I removed some of the images and just used one specific central image. Did technology extend your creative control? Technology did extend my creative control when creating my magazine because it allowed me to edit the images so that they were more clear and their levels and curves were corrected. I chose not to edit the images to a great extent, like cloning or using other tools that were more complex, because school magazines use images that show a true reflection of the school, and therefore it would become unreal if the images were edited too much. Are there any changes you would like to make to your final school magazine? The only changes that I would make to my school magazine would be to have taken the central image in a darker location because there appears to be too much white due to the background of the image also being white. Another change that I think I should have made to emphasize the fact that my magazine is a school magazine would be to have the model in the front cover, or the student rather, using a paper and a pen just to show that it is a school magazine.